So in today's class, let us study about how to write a 3-digit number in words. That is, write the number in names. Before moving on to a 3-digit number, let us recall whatever we have studied in our 2-digit number. Did you all study how to write a 2-digit number in words? Did I teach you that? Yes? Okay. So now, see to the first example, okay? So the first example is 7, 2. Isn't it? How we will read that 7, 2? 7, 2 is a 2-digit number. Isn't it? And 7 is present in tens place and 2 is present in ones place. So how to read this tens place and ones place number? Will we read it separately? Will we read it separately? 7, 2? No. What we will do? We will read them together. That is tens place number and the ones place number. We will read it together. Okay. So now what is this 7, 2 will become? 72. And how to write 72 in words? Yes. E, V, E, N, T, Y. 70. T, W, O. 2. Okay. So this is how we are going to write 72. Now move to the second example. That is the example B. Okay. My number is 1, 6. Again, this is a 2-digit number and they occupy only tens place and ones place. Isn't it? Should we read them separately as 1 and 6? Should we read them separately? 1, 6? No. We should join them. That means we have to read them together. That is 1, 6. How we will read that 1, 6 as? 16. Okay. That is 16. And how to write 16 in words? Yes. I, X, T, E-E-N. That is double E-N. Okay. So these first example and second example is examples of a 2-digit number. Now shall we move on to a 3-digit number? Yes. So now tell me, till now we have studied only ones place number and tens place number. And we have joined together and wrote the number in words. Now it is a 3-digit number. So which is that one extra place? Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. So the third digit, that is the third digit is hundreds place number. And how to write this 3-digit number in words? Always remember the number that comes after tens place. Okay. Hundreds, thousand, 10,000. You will get all those numbers in the next higher classes. Now the numbers that crosses the tens place. Okay. From the hundreds place onwards, what you have to do? You have to write that number. And along with that, you have to add one extra word, that is the place of the number it is present. Okay. Now, if I have a 3-digit, the third digit will enter to the hundreds place. Okay. The third digit will enter to the hundreds place. And that hundreds place number, we are going to write the name of that number. Along with that, we will add a word called 100. Done? Why we are going to add a word 100? Because it is present in hundreds place. Okay? And the spelling for 100 is H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Okay? So remember this spelling. No making any mistakes in 100 spellings. Okay? Is it done? This much did you understand? Thumbs up? Yes? Okay. So now move on to my third example. So what is that C example? 186. So there is a 3-digit number. 186. Now tell me what is my hundreds place number? Which is my hundreds place number?
1.
1. Very good. So what we will do? First we will write down the spelling of 1. Okay. So O-N-E. 1. Now 1 is present in which place? Which place?
Place.
Hundreds place. So write down the spelling of 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. So 100 is done. Which are the two numbers that is left out still in that question? Which are the two numbers left out? Which are the two numbers left out?
86.
86. Very good. 8 is present in tens place and 6 is present in ones place. And we all know that tens place and ones place number, we have to read them together. That is 86. Okay. And the spelling of 86 is E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Yes, I-X. 6. Did you understand how to write a 3-digit number in words? Yes. First we have to write the hundreds place number and then we have to write the word 100. Okay. And then we will write down the tens place and ones place number together. Did you get this much? Shall we move on to the next example? Now, the last example, that is the fourth example is 590. It is 590. Now tell me which number is there in hundreds place? Which number is there in hundreds place? 5, isn't it?
5.
First we will write down the spelling of 5. That is F-I-V-E. 5. 5 is present in which place? 100 place. Very good. So what we will do? We will write down the spelling of 100. That is H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Now which are the two numbers that are left out after 500?
10 place.
Tens place and
1 place.
ones place. What is that number present in tens place and ones place?
2.
Is it 2?
30.
D example. See to the D example. D example. 590. Which are the two numbers? 90. Very good. So the left out two numbers are 9 and 0. And those are 2-digit number. We have to club them. That means we have to read them together. What does 90 means? How to read 90?
90. N-I-G-H.
Yes, it is N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. Now 590, we read that number as 590. Did you understand? Yes? Now move to the second main. So the second main is you have to write the number in figures. That means we have to write the numbers. Okay? The question will be given in words and we have to obtain back in digits. That is what in figures. Done? Now see to the first example. That is a 2-digit number. We have already done, no? So let us revise a 2-digit number and then get back to a 3-digit number. Okay? So what is that first example? 21. How to write 21 in numbers? How to write 21 in numbers?
2,
1. Very good. So 21, we will write it as 2 in tens place and 1 in ones place. So that is how we are going to write 21, isn't it? Now move to the second example. 49. How to write 49 in digits?
4,
9. Very good. 4 in tens place and 9 in ones place. So that becomes 49. Okay. So these are the two examples for a 2-digit number. Now we are moving on to a 3-digit number. Okay. There will be 3-digit number. See to my third question. 612. Okay. So the question is 612. Now how to write a 3-digit number? Start from the 100 place. Okay. Start from the 100 place. Now tell me how many 100?
2.
How many 100? 6.
1, 2.
Very good. So first we will write down 6. Okay. The question is 600. So write down the number 6. See how I have written 6 over there? Done. Now after 600, what is the next left out? What number is left out? 12. Isn't it? How to write
1,
12?
12.
1, 2. Isn't it? 1 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. So this is how we are going to write 12. Now 612, the answer will be 612. Okay. So 612, the answer will be 612. Move to the last example. 166. So how to write this 166 in numbers? How many hundred?
1, 6.
How many hundred?
1,
100. Write on 1.
6.
Okay. Write the number 1. After 100, what is the next part remaining in the question?
66.
66. So how to write that 66?
6.
6 and
1.
6. That is 166 will be written as 166. Okay. And this third one and fourth one is an example for a 3-digit number. So in today's class, we have studied how to write a 3-digit number in words as well as how to write them in digits. Okay. And we also recalled how to write the 2-digit numbers in words and digits. Did you all get this much? Yes?